Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys. In this video guys, I am going to show you guys how can you unpair your Wi-Fi network. Guys, you want to unpair guys your Wi-Fi network, so as you can unpair it. And guys, now let's see how to unpair Wi-Fi network in our Infinix phone. In this video guys, I will show you friends. Guys, you can see guys we have paired guys Wi-Fi network, and guys we will unpair. So first of all guys, open your phone setting to unpair your Wi-Fi network. Then guys, you can see this type of settings. So guys, click on your Wi-Fi setting mode. Then as you can see guys, we have paired this Wi-Fi, and guys we want to unpair. So guys, and how can you unpair guys? Press on your Wi-Fi network, and guys you can see this forget option to unpair means unpair. Then guys this Wi-Fi will unpair. Then guys when you will pair the guys, you will have to again enter password here. Then guys you can pair this Wi-Fi network again. So I hope friends you have understood how to unpair Wi-Fi network in our Infinix phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching. So guys, now we will meet on next video guys with new topic. Before going guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends, thanks for watching guys, bye.